I'm Matthew Arrow. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Dark Forest. We are a global algorithmic trading company helping to create more efficient and liquid digital markets. Some of the services we offer are market making, execution services, treasury management, and blockchain infrastructure. If you look at the history of technology going back to the late 19th century, you have Western Union, who came out with Telegram, and then their first major competitor was Ma Bell, who entered the telegram industry but also developed the telephone. Western Union essentially said, we won't bother you as long as you don't touch a telegram. We have a monopoly here, this is our market. You can do whatever you want with the telephone, and we don't really care. Throughout the entire history of technology, there's been upstarts who have been battling the incumbents by first modeling what they have built in the past and then innovating AM and FM radio, the film industry, the internet, up until today with decentralized finance in the traditional financial industry. And we're at this inflection point at the moment with DeFi, where quite nearly everything, not exactly, that you can do in TradFi, also do in DeFi. This is a natural first step. Every technology has followed. Once we're able to imitate, then we can innovate. But at first, building upon the back of understanding deeply and fundamentally those technologies that progress society to get us to where we are today, and then innovating upon those ideas.
My name is Ingo. I'm from KILT Protocol. KILT Protocol is a parachain to Polkadot, and it has only one purpose: it generates decentralized identity. We actually had a very nice identity system for the last 1,000 years. Faces, fingerprints, which is signatures, things which were naturally decentralized because everyone owns their own and no one can take them away from them. And then we added to that credentials in form of certificates or passports and stuff like that, which are issued by centralized identities, trusted entities, but they were stored in a decentralized way. So I hold my passport, I hold my university degree, I hold my library card, right? I control where I want to show them. Credentials were always linked to those identifiers, which were totally decentralized. So we actually had a very decentralized world. Then came the internet, and unfortunately it got totally centralized then, because our digital identity is basically stored in Google and Facebook, and they control the identifiers, which is the username and the password, and they control the credentials, which is the behavioral data. When digitization moves in the wrong direction, then you have to do something against it, and the only thing that you can do is make better technology. And KILT actually does exactly that. It takes a model of the physical world and translates it into the digital world and offers it there. And so this is, I think, a very important step towards a better world in the end.
My name is Stefan Schwitter. I run asset management for Crypto Finance Group. We are one of the co-sponsors of this event. It's wonderful to be here, wonderful to take an active part in the ecosystem. We've been around since 2017. We have been and will be very active in setting standards in the ecosystem, bringing people together, developing the crypto space. And we strongly believe, and that's why we're here and we're participating in a lot of the panel discussions. We believe in order to further develop the ecosystem in crypto digital assets, you basically need two ingredients. You need innovation and you need trusted actors, right? We are highly regulated by the Swiss regulator. We are part of Deutsche Börse Group, one of the largest infrastructure providers in the financial space, with a AA rating. So I think this is really what sets us apart as Crypto Finance Group. We're innovators, we're pioneers, but we're also a very trusted actor. And it's been really wonderful to be here and interact with a very diverse group of people within the space, within the ecosystem, whether it's investors, developers, representatives from governments, from the regulators. And I think this kind of event fosters the ecosystem, and we're very happy to be part of it.